The journey of Nestle Pure Water begins deep underground, originating from protected sources specifically selected for their quality. Powerful submersible pumps draw the raw water from aquifers, often located hundreds of feet below the Earth's surface.
Even at the source, immediate sampling is conducted to establish the baseline mineral content and ensure initial purity.
These high-capacity pumps are the heart of the extraction, moving millions of liters daily towards the initial holding stage.
Before any advanced purification, the water undergoes coarse filtration to physically remove natural particulates like sand or silt.
The raw water is accumulated in massive on-site storage tanks, awaiting transport to the main bottling and purification facility.
Specialized food-grade stainless steel tankers are used for transport, designed to maintain the water's inherent quality during transit.
The transport fleet operates on a precise schedule, ensuring a continuous, fresh supply of raw water reaches the bottling plant daily.
The gross weight is recorded upon entry to precisely calculate the volume of raw water delivered before offloading begins.
Before stepping near the production floor, every employee must don specialized protective gear to eliminate risk of human contamination.
The delivered raw water is stored in these massive, food-grade stainless steel silos before the multi-stage purification process begins. The first step is multimedia filtration, where layers of sand and carbon act as a deep bed to trap any remaining suspended solids.
Next, activated carbon filters absorb naturally occurring organic compounds, ensuring the water is perfectly clear and odorless.
Following reverse osmosis, the highly purified water is held in polished sanitary tanks, acting as a blank canvas for the next step. A final submicron police filter ensures absolute clarity, removing any microscopically fine particulates before the disinfection stages.
The final step is ozone injection, a powerful sanitizer that sterilizes the water and bottle environment before safely converting back into oxygen.
Simultaneously, PET resin preforms are heated to the precise softening point in infrared ovens, preparing them for transformation. Jets of filtered air transport the empty bottles rapidly along overhead tracks directly into the critical filling environment. Precision filling valves dispense the exact volume of finished Nestle Pure Water into the bottles at incredible speeds, maintaining strict hygiene.
For permanent traceability, lasers etch unique production data directly onto the plastic, ensuring it can never be rubbed off.
A continuous feed of printed shrink film is wrapped around the grouped bottles, creating the outer shell of the multi-pack.
Controlled heat inside the tunnel causes the film to contract tightly, creating a secure, stable, and tamper-evident multi-pack.
Before stacking, every single multi-pack crosses a dynamic checkweigher to ensure it contains the exact count and volume of water. Inside the on-site laboratory, scientists conduct a battery of physical, chemical, and microbiological tests to guarantee safety. Microbiological testing is critical. Large sample volumes are filtered to capture and culture any potential microorganisms.
Beyond machines, trained human sensory panels taste test the water to ensure it meets the crisp, clean flavor profile consumers expect.
Physical tests verify the packaging integrity, ensuring caps are sealed tightly enough to prevent leaks but are still easy for consumers to open. The entire multi-pack is subjected to stress tests to simulate the rigors of transport and stacking in warehouses and stores. Only when every single test result meets the specifications is the digital green light given to release the batch for distribution.
With quality confirmed, the finished product resumes its high-speed journey towards final palletization.
Samples from every batch are kept in a retention library for the product's entire shelf life, ensuring traceability long after it leaves the plant.
Heavy lift robotics take over the physical labor, palletizing thousands of cases an hour with mathematical precision to build stable transport loads. A final layer of high-tension stretch wrap stabilizes the entire load, ensuring the product arrives at its destination perfectly intact.
The finished water enters the high bay warehouse, a vast cathedral of inventory awaiting the final call for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce Nestle Pure Water from start to finish.